Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy. Gon' see what's left of me. Gon' see success in me. Don't see me less than me. Be the best of what I know. Never be the best of what I know. Come to the best and watch me go. This is my quest and I'm here to stay. Call me obsessive, all I know. Call me obsessive with my mouth. Call me obsessive with my flow. Call me offensive even though. Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Trying to get by, life's rough. Trying to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I want to say I'm way too obsessed. I'm not quite there yet, but so forth till we get touched. I'm not something that I'm not giving in. I will not let it win. I won't stop till the end. No, I'm not